Alright, here's the moment of truth. So on my computer I've got C, F, and H. And I'm gonna see if I can get my hard drive that was pretty much all scraped up. You should have seen that in the other video. If not, then here's the link right here. I've swapped the head on it. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I've already got it attached. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, okay, whatever. But if it works and I can get off some of the materials, maybe I can copy things over and see what's going on. So let's crank her up. My computer acknowledged with a beep. I can hear it moving, I can hear it squeaking. The disc is all scratched up. I know that. It's acknowledging, saying that I can move it faster. If I use the USB 3.0, which I don't have. Nothing's coming up. Oh, that kind of sucks. Let's try powering off. Let's power back on. Can work faster if I connect it to a faster drive, but it's not coming up, which is interesting. So no, it's not recognizing it. I was really hoping that it would come up and then I can transfer some of the files off of the 2 terabyte drive onto this terabyte drive as a backup before it completely died. But I'm gonna open it up one more time, because sure, why not, and see if the head got stuck on the grooves. But at this point, no luck. One more time. I'm gonna listen carefully to it spinning. Let's take that off so we can hear it better. So it's done its initial. It's making noise. It's not recognized. And that's about it. Let's take it apart and do it again.